Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to do the image editing using the Qwen AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Qwen AI, and here I am accessing it with my phone. And don't worry, because this Qwen can be also accessed with your PC or even the tab. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the homepage of this Qwen AI. And to start off the image editing, you need to activate this image edit here. And after that, you can start to select a picture from the gallery. And for example, I want to choose the photo here. And it will direct you into this section. And if you would like to import the picture from the gallery, you can click three stripes on the top left corner and click albums, and it will direct you into this section. And for example, I will select this picture, this one, and while it is already imported, then I will put the prompt into this section. For example, like this: change the gesture of this woman to head the camera and smiling while holding the book, and also maintain the bookshelf as the background, because as you can see that this picture, the woman is facing down the book or not seeing the camera in front of her. So I will try to generate the picture by this prompt. And also don't forget to make sure that your connection is good, and the length of the generation process also depends on the complexity of your request. Kindly wait for the result or the output, and it will be shown into this section. And after waiting for a while, so this will be the result. As you can see that the picture is really beautiful and also maintaining the realistic look. And you can go to the history of the conversation. You can click the three stripe on the top left corner too, and click the last conversation. And don't worry guys, you can also download this picture and it will be officially saved into your gallery. And you can also start to continue to do the editing. For example, again, we need to upload the picture first, like this. And you can select a picture from the album. For example, change the pose of this woman from reading a book to be jumping and showing the cheerful face. Like this, for example, you can continue to do the editing, and there is no any limitation to generate the picture guys, and kindly wait for the process. And while waiting for the picture, I might ask you a question. How long have you been using the AI to generate the image? Is that already more than a year? And also what the purposes is that for? Only the generate the picture, or your working purposes, or create the, let's say, the booklet, or even the image for the poster, please you can share us on the comment section. So this is the picture after using the another prompt, and the expression and also the gesture or the pose totally changed, and also maintaining the realistic look, and it is very beautiful. And you will not see too the watermark if you do the editing or generate the picture with this Qwen AI. So don't forget to try this Qwen AI. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.